Welcome to the Imperial Bird of Prey Academy here in Essex with me, Robin Lowry, and SIGMA. We are running some SIGMA workshops this year for taking photographs of our birds here. We have lots of lenses to use and to see how they perform. So it should be a really good day. So today here on our SIGMA Masterclass, we're photographing a few different birds. One of our favourites, which is the barn owl. We're also photographing common kestrel, the guys that you normally see hovering over motorway verges. And also we are going to photograph a great grey owl, which is one of my favourites. And also a bird that people don't necessarily associate with a bird of prey is a red-legged Surima, which is basically a secretary bird, but a smaller version that eats snakes, and we've demonstrated how it bashes a rubber snake to kill its prey and eat it. So a really fascinating, great day. So we have a small on-site photographic studio where we've got some LED lighting to do some nice portraits of a couple of our birds. One of those birds is an American kestrel. His name is Elvis. He's a great looking bird. And also we had Chaos, which is a burrowing owl, fly in the studio for us as well. So again, fantastic pictures had by everyone that participated in this great masterclass.